The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company.
Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all guys are doing absolutely well. So it's been a long, I haven't shared with you any type of premium methods. So today here we are gonna see how we will get a premium VPN, I mean virtual private network, for free. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, so you can subscribe for more latest videos, and you can also join our Facebook group Premium Share to get daily updates. Here I'll put the link in the video description. So we have to come over this site called Sit for Me. So this is a premium VPN who is providing us 1 year free plan for their premium plan. So what we're gonna do, just come here and give here our working email. So it's going to charge us $36, but here, as they are running on promotion, so we are going to use that. So here in promo code type share 2021 and hit check out with PayPal. So you can see that we get 1 year access for free. Now here, for creating the account, click on check out with PayPal. So whenever you click on this, it will redirect you to the
PayPal login page. So here you don't have to log in your PayPal, just go back.
Now again, go back to that site. So you can see this will show you that it's look like this, that you already access to this page. Now when you enter the email, in that time
they are going to send you a confirmation mail with a password and username. So whenever you confirm your email, you will see in your login page, I mean in your VPN dashboard, that they are giving you the 365 days VPN access for free.
We can use in all the OS platforms like Windows, Linux, Mac, iOS, or in Android also. So as I am using Windows 8, so just click on here and it will download it easily for 10 megabytes. So install it as a regular VPN, regular software install. This will comes up here. You have to give the email what you used to register and the password. Now after clicking login, now it will get not any time and start. So you can close it, and if you click on the taskbar here, you can see that we are now in the VPN. So you can see all the premium VPN access what we can use, and it's valid for the next year, 24 April. So we can use it for 1 year, and when we connect with any IP, it will connect in no time. You can see, just click on connect and it connected. If you want to see the VPN is really working or not, so you can go over to to check to IP, and you will see that the VPN IP is connected with your chosen country. So you can see that as we select UK, so it's connected with a UK IP. Now as we are going to select another one, so US, so if we just reload, we see that it's connected with US. Now here's a thing, that all the free VPNs shows us some reasons for blacklisted or its proxy they detected, but with that VPN, if you are able to hide your DNS, then you can just pass that blacklisted. And if you try the speed, test, you will see that your genuine speed will show up with that VPN. So here I am using 5 megabyte internet, 5 megabyte the net speed. So if we see that our actual speed is really same as the VPN speed. So for that, here I am going to use just internet speed test from Google. So I hope you like to this video, and this is a short video, just a giveaway from them. It's all. That's all. Have a great day.